Imagine a tool so powerful that it can transform your mind, enhance your well-being, and elevate your daily life, all without costing a dime or requiring any physical exertion. This tool is meditation, a practice as ancient as civilization, yet as modern as neuroscience. In our fast-paced, stress-filled lives, meditation emerges not just as a recommended leisure activity, but as a vital component of health and happiness. In this essay, we will embark on a comprehensive exploration into the world of meditation. From its fundamental principles to its profound benefits and the practical steps to incorporate it into daily life, we unravel how this age-old practice can be your modern-day superpower. Meditation, often perceived as a mystical practice, is fundamentally about training the mind. Originating thousands of years ago, it has been a part of countless cultures and religions, each adding its own flavor and perspective. Today, it is embraced worldwide, not just for spiritual growth, but for mental and physical health. At its core, meditation involves quietening the mind to achieve deeper levels of relaxation and awareness. This can be achieved through various techniques, focusing on breath, a mantra, or even complete silence. The ultimate goal is to reach a state of heightened awareness and inner peace, accessible to anyone regardless of background or belief. Understanding its evolution helps in appreciating its adaptability and widespread relevance in today's stress-laden society. By tracing its roots, we can see that meditation is not just a temporary escape, but a return to one's inherent state of balance and clarity. Recent decades have seen a surge in scientific interest in meditation, with studies confirming its profound impact on the brain. Researchers have found that regular meditation can lead to changes in brain structure, known as neuroplasticity, which enhances well-being and reduces stress. Meditation has been shown to decrease the density of the amygdala, a brain structure involved in processing emotional responses, particularly fear and stress. Additionally, it increases the connectivity between different brain regions, improving our ability to manage emotions and enhance focus. These changes not only substantiate the benefits of meditation, but also demonstrate its potential as a powerful tool for mental and physical health. The benefits of meditation are vast and varied, impacting every facet of human health. Psychologically, it reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression, fosters a greater sense of calm, and enhances overall emotional resilience. Physically, it has been linked to lowering blood pressure, improving immune function, and even ameliorating symptoms of chronic illnesses. Testimonials from regular practitioners highlight transformations such as improved sleep patterns, reduced chronic pain, and heightened clarity and focus. These personal accounts not only inspire but serve as tangible proof of the transformative power of meditation. Beginning a meditation practice is simpler than it might seem. The first step is to find a quiet, comfortable place where you will not be disturbed. This could be a small corner of your home or even a tranquil outdoor space. Focus on sitting comfortably, whether on a chair, cushion, or directly on the floor. The key is to maintain a posture that is relaxed yet upright. Start with just a few minutes of meditation, gradually increasing the duration as you become more accustomed to the practice. Remember, the journey is personal and should be paced according to your own comfort level and lifestyle. Mindfulness meditation is about cultivating an acute awareness of the present moment. It involves observing thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Practicing mindfulness can start simply by focusing on your breath, acknowledging each inhale and exhale, or performing a body scan from head to toe. These techniques not only ground you in the present, but also help in recognizing and distancing from negative thought patterns, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. For those looking to deepen their meditation practice, consider participating in meditation retreats or dedicating specific times for extended sessions. These opportunities allow for more focused and uninterrupted meditation, helping to achieve deeper states of mindfulness and relaxation. Practicing consistently, even if for short periods, builds a strong foundation that enhances the benefits of meditation. Each session is a step towards greater self-awareness and inner peace. Meditation serves as a vital tool in mental health management, often used in conjunction with traditional therapies. It helps in regulating emotions, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression, and improving overall mental resilience. In therapeutic settings, techniques like mindfulness can be particularly effective in teaching patients how to deal with negative thoughts and emotions in a healthier manner. This approach not only alleviates symptoms but also empowers individuals in their journey towards mental wellness. Concentration meditation focuses on directing attention to a single point or object, which could be the breath, a mantra, or a specific visual element. This practice enhances the ability to focus and reduces the frequency of distracting thoughts. Techniques such as repeating a calming mantra or visualizing a peaceful scene can significantly improve concentration and mental clarity. Over time, this practice also aids in developing a greater sense of inner peace and stability. Loving kindness meditation is centered around cultivating feelings of compassion and love towards oneself and others. It starts with directing positive thoughts and energies towards oneself and gradually expanding these to include friends, family, and ultimately all beings. This form of meditation not only enhances personal well-being but also fosters a sense of connectedness and empathy towards others, contributing to more harmonious interpersonal relationships and a compassionate community. While meditation is often associated with Eastern traditions like Buddhism and Hinduism, it is, in fact, a universal practice found in many cultures worldwide. Each tradition brings its unique perspective. Whether it's the contemplative practices of Christian mystics or the Sufi practices of whirling dervishes, understanding these diverse practices enriches our perspective on meditation and highlights its universal appeal and adaptability. Beginning meditators often face challenges such as restlessness, difficulty in concentrating, or skepticism about the benefits. Recognizing these as common experiences can alleviate some of the frustrations. Simple strategies like setting realistic goals, gradually increasing the meditation time, and regularly reminding oneself of the benefits can help overcome these hurdles. Patience and persistence are key in cultivating a fulfilling meditation practice. Integrating meditation into daily life can significantly enhance its benefits. This can be as simple as practicing mindfulness during routine activities like eating, walking, or even during work breaks. Such continuous practice not only deepens the meditative state but also helps in maintaining a calm and focused mindset throughout the day. This integration transforms meditation from a scheduled activity to an all-encompassing approach to life. For seasoned practitioners, exploring advanced techniques like transcendental meditation or kundalini can be rewarding. These practices often involve more specific rituals and deeper philosophical elements, offering pathways to profound spiritual and psychological growth. However, these should be approached with guidance from experienced teachers to navigate the complexities and intensities of advanced meditation safely. Meditation is more than just a practice, it is a journey towards self-discovery and inner peace. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner, the path of meditation offers endless opportunities for growth and transformation. We encourage you to explore, experiment, and embrace meditation in its various forms. Regular practice not only enriches your own life, but also contributes to a more mindful and compassionate world. Remember, every moment is an opportunity to be present. Every breath is a chance to be reborn.